In this video, we'll go over how to create department-based support routing quickly and effectively. By the end of this, you'll have the exact steps to set it up, and you can start routing support tickets to the right department right away. First, you'll want to begin by identifying the key departments in your organization that will handle different types of support requests. Think of your sales, technical support, billing, or customer service departments. Each department should have a unique email, chat, or support channel set up to handle inquiries efficiently. Next, log into the support platform you're using. The software we'll be using today allows you to set up custom rules for routing tickets. Navigate to the settings and find the routing rules or automation section. This is where the magic happens. You'll create a rule that tells the software to automatically assign tickets to a specific department based on keywords, ticket types, or even the channel through which the ticket is submitted. For example, if a customer submits a technical issue, the software can recognize keywords like error, technical, or issue, and route it to your technical support team. For billing questions, keywords like invoice, payment, or billing would trigger routing to your billing department. This will save time and ensure customers get the support they need without delay. After defining the keywords or conditions for each department, assign each department's team to handle tickets from the rule you just set up. Make sure each department has a representative available to respond promptly to the tickets assigned to them. Some support systems also allow you to set priorities, so critical issues can be flagged and handled first. Once you've set up your rules and assigned your departments, be sure to test the system. Submit a test ticket to see if it's being routed correctly. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. The routing rules can be adjusted at any time, so you can refine them based on feedback or changes in how your teams are structured. The great thing about department-based support routing is that it makes your support process more efficient. Customers get help from the right team quickly, and your teams can specialize and focus on what they do best. Plus, it reduces bottlenecks, allowing you to scale your support operations more easily. The key takeaway from this video is that creating department-based support routing is all about identifying your departments, setting up the right rules based on keywords or ticket types, and testing the system to make sure it's running smoothly. The automation makes sure that tickets go to the right team without unnecessary delays. As a reminder, if you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out on that. To recap, first, identify your key departments and set up routing rules based on ticket types or keywords. Then, assign teams, test your system, and you're done. That's how to create department-based support routing in a nutshell.